What are you doing, Jarvis?
Fix some heads off.
Giving head or getting head?
I don't give head.
You just I gave you my head job.
Huh?
I gave you my head job.
You did?
That's right. S13 upgrades, updates, fixes, repairs and things. Let's have a look. So you can spot the difference here a little bit. We have shiny and black. So why does this happen? Why does this happen, Jarvis? Because
I don't know, they just learned it.
you just learn things. So I don't know if you can see, we'll try and find some, there we go there. That there is a head gasket that's failed for the water gallery. And that's number 6, and number 1 I just found was starting to do the same thing as well, starting to come through. So that's going in the bin, and we've got a Nitto gasket coming, a new towing belt, new water pump, gearbox also blew up. Car's straight. It's not. I have a front end. It's in one piece.
It's not in a wall.
Not in a wall. So front end's okay. Gearbox is glass and broke. It was an RB20 box, so it was only a matter of time. So I've got an RB25, twin plate, and drive shaft coming for it. So that should be here in the next couple of days. So once we get this onto a hoist, I think we might pull the box out. So box is out, head's off, wait for the new box to come, and we can get it all swapped over. I've got the boys. You can do it right now, yeah. Boys at Golby's are sending me Nitto head gasket, ARP head studs, and that'll hold everything down. I'm going to talk to Doc Boost. I'll find it and link it, whatever. We're going to do baffles covers in the rocker cover because I was having issues with that, blew out at Matsuri as well. So Matsuri cost me, but not front end cost me, just mechanically cost me.
Ultimately, my damage is cheaper than your damage.
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably. Well, my box is about $3 grand. So
well, I'm not even. Yeah, it's not costing me that much.
Mine just looks prettier than yours at the moment.
Yeah, it's alright. We don't have to look at mine.
Hiding. So yeah, we'll get this cleaned up, get it sorted out. I don't know when this will be finished and put back together, probably another week or so. I do have Northern Roast coming up in November, and then there's something else in December. So we've got to get it back together and get things done.
Mine's not going to be ready for December.
Uh-huh. Mine will be. I have a Jarvis. Jarvis doesn't have a Jarvis.
No, I don't have it.
So we'll get it done, get it back together. He's thinking, he's processing. So Jarvis has got the car on the hoist now. What do you got there?
Got some teeth, mate.
Teeth?
I'm going to say this is your second gear.
That's most of my second gear, yes. So that is coming out and new gearbox coming in. Easy fix.
Yeah.
So we've got a special delivery from Golby's. We've got a Nitto head gasket, we've got ARP studs. They're all going back in, ready to go for Jarvis to do our head. You're good at head?
Terrible at head.
Terrible or good at it? Terribly good at it.
Great at getting.
He loves head.
Don't fit.
This is not going to fit.
Doesn't fit.
Why doesn't it fit?
Because you got no gearbox in it, it's tilted back.
Well, you just go get a jack and we jack it up.
Upright. I know the answer to this. I don't know why you got to put a fucking camera in my face.
You're going to be the YouTuber.
I don't want to be a YouTuber.
You've got a GoPro, your own YouTube channel.
Yeah, I do.
I'll link it in the description so you get the views.
Oh, sick. I don't have a
If
single
someone-
video.
If someone just pushes that down, like that.
There you go, Shane. You got a job.
Granddad Tim's here to help. I'm holding the camera.
Your camera ain't helping us put your car together, mate.
Gets the views, but.
He's a cranky old boy.
Maybe.
I thought you said it didn't fit.
Gave it the boot, mate.
She's in. It's a bit little.
A little bit tight.
A bit tight. We've got things to do.
Think so.
Hit the key to Savo.
Fuck off.
Something missing. So there's supposed to be a clutch there. The clutch we got in the car was for an RB20 and it was only an organic clutch. The clutch I got for the gearbox is RB25 but solid plate, so not cool. Supposed to be twin plate, but it's not, it's just a button clutch. So the mates over at NPC have hooked me up with a button sprung clutch. So apparently that's rated at 450 kilowatts and 1200 newton meters torque or something. So that should be good to go. And now I just need this idiot to put it in the car.
I'm not an idiot.
Well, this idiot.
That idiot. That idiot. Bet you wouldn't do it on camera.
Mate, I'll do it. 20 bucks to 20 bucks. Alright, so NPC clutch is in. Now we get the gearbox in for the final time, hopefully. Got a new slave cylinder because that's different, so a new one of those.
I'll put the shifter in as well.
Oh, we've got a shifter over here. So this is my cube shifter from my old box, and it goes straight into this one, so I didn't have to change that. So that saves me like $400. That's sick.
Change the springs. Got rid of these little weak ones.
Put some big daddies in.
Put some big daddies in.
So hopefully we'll have a nice little short shifter still. Big box, RB25 box going in. Shay, the new apprentice, has painted all my wheels, swapped all the tyres. So I got all new white wheels, new tyres, and we're getting there. Hey, your arms, Jarv? Cooked? Well, this
How are
one,
your arms?
they're cooked. This gearbox fought us, but it's in. It wasn't the bell housing side or any of that. I'm just guessing that the splines are nice and new and tight, and it was a proper mongrel to get in. But RB25 box is in, heaps of room around everywhere. Jarv's done a fully sick welding job on extending the cross member so I can get all 4 mounting points in. So hang that off the back and that'll bolt back in. And now I've got to get the tail shaft made from Farrows so we can have a one-piece shaft all the way through, because the 20 box is different from 25. And one less problem. But we've got all the head and everything back on, the manifolds on, intercooler popping's back on. Jarvis has painted the inlet manifold for me, so that's all done. We fixed the power steering leak we had, but we're going to probably unpick that again and run power steering cooler. Do a bit of a tidy up in here, but it's all going back together. New timing belt going on as well, so it's all up to date with a new water pump. And that's about it under here. So yeah, we're doing those baffle covers now, so I'll show you that. What have you done?
Made a new plate.
Menu plate, so we're doing baffle plates from Boost Stock in the rocker covers. I'll probably show you on the other one. He's efficient, this kid, he's efficient. We've got
First time you've ever said that.
these dangleberries in this cool bag that Jarvis will probably use for weekend use.
What would you use that for on a weekend? I want to know what you are insinuating with that one.
I'll put
Because that's weird.
I'll put my purse in it.
Put your purse in it.
Yeah,
Put it
that's
in
cool.
your purse.
Yeah. Hey,
Oh, the bag.
yeah.
Oh.
What are you using them for?
I don't know. That's what I was confused about.
So I'll show you the other video on the other rocker cover, which is, oh, it's here. Is this one of mine or one of yours? It's one of yours. So what we're going to do on this one is basically unpick all these. We'll drill all these out, pull the original baffles out, and then we'll clean it all up. We drill and tap the locations where it needs to go, because this one has holy holes. They're going to go into there. So we drill and tap those out. That'll then sit in place, obviously this way once they're out there. That'll sit in place like so, and stop any blow by going through and blowing off my fittings like I did last time, just fitting out of Matsuri. Cheese! The cheese! She's getting the studs ready because he's been demoted to painting, and the cheese is on doing the stud conversion so we can run the baffle cover over the top. It should look something like that. So that'll go there and be good to go. I mean, no. Yes. Yes. So cheese is into it.
Yep.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Alright, so I don't know where we're at, but gearbox is in. Tail shaft from Farrows is in. We've got a nice one piece with big uni boys. It's got a big billet yoke. Jarvis's underbite, apparently Mac underbite.
Mac doesn't like my welding.
No, but it's there, it works, it'll do what it needs to do. Both mounts are in their factory spot here and just hangs off the back. Worst case scenario, that falls off, the gearbox falls on the mount.
Not my problem.
No problem, no. New slave cylinder, I don't think I've ever done else. Anything else?
you were just going to point at me and say new slave.
New slave, he's an old slave. What else we done? Oh, so oil cooler. So this is a custom eBay quality vehicle thing. Won't say the brand name, but it's quality. Not quality.
Not quality.
Also, free intercooler from Josh because my one had bashes. So we painted it and made it black and new. We have a power steering cooler mounted at the back. That's just a cheap one from Rare Spares or something like that for a Commodore or something. It was just a nice easy one to put in. We also have whatever this thing is, a power brace, cross brace thing in here. Try and stop these caster arms moving and doing weird things, so hopefully that all holds together and keeps it in place. But otherwise that's about it for under here. I've got spares to take with me for new tie ends, tie rods, rack ends, new tie ends. I have a new bushes in here as well because this the driver's side one keeps popping out, so I get one of those. But otherwise she's all done under here. We're just doing a final bolt check and be ready to go to Gladstone.
I'm not.
No. Alright, the only other thing we needed to add under here were these little socks. For Gladstone, they want to have a sock on there, so I went on the old eBay and got some wristbands. So we've got purple wristbands to match everything else, but it's all together and ready to go. Everything's fixed, no more leaks, no more problems, it's not getting hot. So we should have a good Gladstone, hopefully. The other thing we've done is the rear bar was black, so we just got a bit of rattle can orange. Got very similar, like you can see different obviously tones, but at least it's not black. So we'll be fully kitted out, I guess you'd say. Alright, that's it for this episode. We're going to go to Northern Roast. We're going to have a sick time up there. Hopefully don't break anything. And then I've got Xmas Bash or Christmas Bash or QR after that. So stay tuned for more episodes. We've got a heap of more content coming out, forward drive stuff, modification stuff and drifting stuff. So hit that like, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more. Cheers guys.